Airplane mode is so powerful. In couple of years, I had strong addictiveness to phone. I was using 8 10 hours in a day. In a day, just 8 hours is so fucking big number. But some people use it more, some people use it less. It depends on how we use it. But mine was a real addiction, and I just fucked around. But I found a solution to this about a couple of months ago, and it was using airplane mode. You just simply make a routine or just click the airplane mode button, and then boom. what it what it is really doing that you are um you're aware of the thing that you're gonna do when you take your phone into your hand. Like, for example, if you're gonna text someone, you look and you have no internet, and you see it's on airplane mode, and it reminds you that you just gonna text that person or the people that you want to text, and then you open it up, and when you're done, close it. It's like, it's working, man. I tried it, and it really helps. And also because it um, cut the signals in your phone, it stops reducing your testosterone. It's a better benefit. So yeah, when you're taking your phone with you somewhere, just put it on airplane mode, and just keep it on airplane mode every day. You will see the difference. But suddenly I stopped using because my mom complained about that she can't reach me when she calls me. That's a little side effect of the airplane mode. And I think I can make a routine that closes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile internet access, and it make a little bit more sense to me. And I also add grayscale mode to be more noticeable to me. That I was pressing a button to close the routine. When I'm done, I'm but touching the button again, and it's black and white again. So I'm aware of the thing that I'm doing. But if you really want to um, quit your phone addiction, and you're really struggling with, there is a best way to do this. You just simply throw your phone away to another room that you are not in. For example, you are in the living room, throw it in the toilet, leave it there, and it decreases instantly. I use this method as well, and I'm using right now, and it really reduces your screen time to 10 to 20 minutes. Like, I was not using it so much for a couple of months. It was around 2 hours or something like that. And now, when you do that, it came to 1 hour, half an hour, 20 minutes, and you really see the difference. the best thing to do is, when you're not using your phone, leaving it in another place that you're not in. And when your phone is with you, taking to grayscale and airplane mode. With these two techniques, your phone addiction shouldn't be a problem for you. I hope this advice helps you. If you want, you can join our community below. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Goodbye.